Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you my base cake recipe, which serves one large cake or 24 cupcakes. This is just a base recipe, so you could add any flavorings of your choice at the end. After you've sanitized the surface, tied back long hair and washed your hands, add 250 grams of butter or margarine, and then you want to just mix it up using a whisk, a hand mixer or a stand mixer. You want it to look like this, and you want to get loads of air bubbles into it so that the cake rises to be nice and fluffy. Then you want to add 250 grams of granulated or caster sugar and then mix it up. Now it will look like this, but you do want it to form a paste, so just pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds, and after that it should look something like this. The next step is to add 250 grams of self-raising flour, or if you don't have that, you can use 250 grams of plain flour and add a bit of baking powder into it. It is really important to have a raising agent in your cake batter so that it rises, otherwise you'll just have a flat and solid cake. Once you've done that, just mix it up and scrape down the sides to get all the bits and pieces nicely mixed into the cake batter. Then you want to add a pinch of salt and 4 medium to large eggs, and then you want to give all of that a really nice mix. Last but not least, you want to add 4 tablespoons of milk, and then you just want to mix that all up. It should look something like this. I'm just making a carrot cake today, so I've just added shredded carrot and cinnamon to my cake batter, and now I've just added it into a cake tin, and I'll just be popping this into the oven. You guys can try a lot of different flavors, and here I'll be listing out some of my favorite flavors for you guys. Here is a picture of my cake in the oven. It looks really nice and it's risen a lot. Be sure to try out this recipe and let me know in the comments if you loved it as much as I did. Thanks for watching, everyone.